Hey guys, this time we are talking about animals and insects, how to keep them out of your space while you are camping. First thing, just make sure that you're sealing up your tent whenever you step inside of it or exit out of it. That will keep insects from flying or crawling in, and it'll keep mice out as well. Second, you want to make sure that you're keeping your food stored correctly and cooking in appropriate places. If you're in bear country, that means taking the right precautions to make sure that bears cannot get into your food at any time. Sometimes if you're even car camping, you can just keep your food in your car and that's going to be just fine. Now, when it comes to cooking, it's usually a good rule of thumb to never cook inside your tent. With bell tents like these, you can cook on your wood stove and you can do it safely as long as you are not in bear country. So those are the basics. Animals are really attracted to smell. So if you're keeping your food stored correctly and you're closing down all of the doors and windows, you're gonna make sure that you don't have any animals or insects in your space.